Hello everyone, welcome to Literature with Rachna. Today we will study Class 7 question answers of Lesson 6 0 Hour. So let me move on to the very first exercise of this. Number 1 is answer the following extracts. Answer the following extracts. We will be having sentence and then on base of sentence we have questions. So let me move on to question number 1. Sentence, I think I will go to the moon today. Question number A, who said this to whom? In what context? So answer will be, Bobby said these words to his mother while he was sitting at dining table. When she asked him his plan for the day. Okay, these words are spoken when Bobby's mother asked him his plan for the day. Question B, how was it understood by the listener? The listener, Bobby's mother, thought that Bobby was talking about games, means his toy rocket, and making her believe the moon mission. She was also thinking like Bobby is making fun of, is maybe talking about his toy rocket, and that's why she also respond in a fun mood, in a fun way. C. Did the speaker have a second meaning in mind? If so, what was that meaning? The speaker wants to give his mother a hint about his plan to go to the rocket to the moon with his father. So yes, he was giving a hint. He was thinking to give a hint to his mom, but he did not reveal it. He just indirect way spoke to his mom that he is going to the moon today. So let me move on to the next question. Second extract. I got into the rocket and was all set, but I got thinking about mom. Now, question based on the sentence. Question A. Who said this to whom and when? Answer. Bobby says this to his father when he asks his son if he was planning to make the trip to the moon with his father. So that time Bobby replied that why I came back. Question B. What was meant by the speaker? What actually meant by the speaker? What Bobby wanted to say? Let's see. Bobby is referring to the real rocket as he had made plans to go to the moon. So he was seriously speaking to his father, but father, he thought like maybe Bobby is also, he was also thinking like perhaps Bobby is talking about his toy rocket. So see question of this. What was understood by the listener? His father, however, assumes that Bobby is referring to his toy rocket and an imaginary mission to the moon. So as I told you, he thought like he is planning to go to the moon, but imaginary. In imagination he was making to go to the moon. So let me move on to the next part, that is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what was Bobby's own space rocket like? We need to explain how it was looking. Did he spend time on it with real interest in the morning? How can you tell? What was the reason? So there are 4 parts in a question. Let's see, and we will give answer like that. Bobby's rocket was 6 feet long and 2 seats and an instrumental panel. Part 1. Part 2. That morning Bobby did not spend time on it with real interest. He just fussed around it until he could distract his mother and slip away unnoticed to the rocket drone. Okay, he was just pretending like he is mending his toy rocket. He was showing to his mom till his mom was there near the window. He was pretending like he is checking all his rocket toy. And as soon as his mother left the window, move away from the window, he also rushed towards rocket drone. So let me move on to the question number 2. How did Bobby come to know what the rocket was for and when it was going off? How did he come to know? Initially, in the beginning, Bobby did not know where the rocket was going. Okay, one day, okay, he was not knowing like where the rocket is going. He was just coming and watching that what is going on, what they are preparing, that scientist is working on what. But one day, when he was going to take a peek at it secretly, peek it means look it secretly, he heard his father and another scientist discussing. What they were discussing? They were discussing that the rocket was going to the moon. Okay, when he heard their discussion, then only he came to know that the rocket was going to the moon. Let me move on to question number 3. Question is, we see Bobby sitting firmly in the rocket. When and where do we see him next? Why was he there instead of inside the rocket? Let's see answer. We see him next where? In his bedroom at night, waking up for a short while from his sleep. Okay, he was in the bedroom. And what he was doing? Bobby explained to his father that he had got into the rocket but came out at the last minute. Why he came out? Because he thought his mom would be alone if both he and his father went on the rocket. So that's the reason he left the rocket and he was found in his bedroom, which was not known by both the parents. Next, question number 4. How was 4th July to be celebrated on the moon according to Mr. John Kendall? Very easy answer. According to Mr. John Kendall, the rocket would hit in about an hour and telescope would show a big purple spot when the explosive goes off, and it would throw dye all over the place. So that's the way they celebrate 4th of July. So children, these were your question answers of the lesson 0R. I hope you understood it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.